Jonathan Schoop. I wanted you to hear the quote that Buck had. He said, "John is a tough one for me to figure out what he's going to be, so I quit trying to figure it out. Your curiosity with him is going to get satisfied. He has a good peer group around him that won't let him be anything but the best he can be. I'm excited to see where it will end. He's a strong young man." End of quote. Goodbye, home run. Oh, mercy. Cue up the homer.
The kid is hot. Home run tear right now. 3 games in a row. 15th home run of the season for Schoop. This one not quite the same distance his last 2 home runs had, but still very impressive. Tough pitch. And you see on the swing how strong Jonathan Schoop is.